Have you ever wondered what the day-to-day life of a successful entrepreneur looks like? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take you on a day-long journey that's packed with excitement, passion, and a pinch of unpredictability. The day begins with the break of dawn. As the sun peeks over the horizon, our day starts with a moment of tranquility, a morning meditation session. It's not just about the mental exercise. It's about setting the tone for the day, about grounding ourselves in our purpose. Then comes the fuel for the day, a healthy breakfast. It's not just about feeding the body, but also the mind. It's a time for reflection, for planning, for setting intentions. It's about nourishing the body and the mind to take on the challenges of the day. And then the work begins. The day is filled with meetings, brainstorming sessions, and decision-making. It's about creativity, innovation, and collaboration. It's about solving problems, making tough decisions, and pushing boundaries. But it's not all work and no play. There's time for hobbies too, whether it's painting, playing a musical instrument, or simply reading a book. It's about keeping the mind active and engaged, about sparking creativity, about finding joy in the little things. Behind the scenes, there's a lot of hard work, a lot of discipline, a lot of dedication. But it's not just about the hustle. It's about balance, about finding the right mix of work and play, of discipline and flexibility, of ambition and contentment. And as the day winds down, there's a sense of accomplishment, of satisfaction. The day ends with gratitude, with reflection, with the knowledge that every day brings new opportunities, new challenges, new possibilities. So what does a day in the life of an entrepreneur look like? It's a blend of passion and purpose, of work and play, of discipline and flexibility. It's about setting goals and working towards them, about pushing boundaries and breaking barriers. It's about balance, about finding joy in the journey, about making a difference. In summary, the day of an entrepreneur starts with grounding oneself for the day ahead, followed by nourishing the body and mind, then diving into work that's filled with creativity and innovation, and finally winding down with gratitude and reflection. It's a day filled with hard work, discipline, and dedication, but also with balance, joy, and satisfaction. The life of an entrepreneur is not an easy one, but it's certainly an exciting and rewarding one. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, with challenges and triumphs, with failures and successes. But at the end of the day, it's all about making a difference, about leaving a mark, about creating a legacy.